Hey y'all, in this video I'm about to show you exactly what I did to fix this problem. This is from my own experience and I hope it's gonna work for you as well as it did for me. So now, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it and really help a lot. Now let's jump right into the video. So what you gotta do is to head over to Windows Update, and here what I did is simply I just learned this, that you can, if you click on advanced options, optional update, then here you should see a bunch of updates available for you. When I tried the game, it just didn't work because of the updates that were available here, but I didn't download them and install them. To download and install, just make sure you check all of them and click on download and install. This is what worked for me and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Thank you guys for watching, and please let me know in the comment section if this worked. I really want to read your feedback, and if I see a lot of comments that say it worked, I'm gonna be very happy. Thank you for watching.